Hey, come here. Can we just take a moment and appreciate this keyboard from Higround? This is the Snowstone Base 65 mechanical keyboard, hands down one of the best keyboard I've ever had to use. I mean, just listen. This keyboard is hot swappable, has aluminum base plate, and equipped with dual silicone dampening foam. And oh, did I mention that it has wide flame switches that is designed by Higround and TDC themselves? And the best part of it is it has fully customizable RGB and USB-C detachable connection. I just found out that Higround is now in